So hello, we are in the alleyway near our hotel. Today we're gonna start our second day. We're going to Disney. They're still upstairs. They're what are they doing? They're getting ready. Nag-CR lang ata sila. Nikki. Okay. Good morning.
Hello.
Saan po tayo papunta today?
Hulaan nyo.
Wala, ikaw. Ano hula mo?
Universal.
Nasa Hong Kong kami pero mag-universal kami.
We're going to Disneyland. How do you feel?
Ako ba?
Hindi.
Ay, excited po.
Oo,
Yun,
pupunta
joke.
kami ng Disneyland. Yan.
Ano pong ride ang gusto natin sakyan sa Disneyland?
Yung favorite ni Nicole na Snow White.
Ay,
Oh
favorite
my
mo?
God. Nakakatakot kasi.
Ha? Nakakatakot?
Oo. Takot ako. Papakita ko mamaya. Duwag lang talaga.
Duwag na.
What ride are you excited for?
Kung ano man yung mabilis. Ano ba?
Ay,
Alin po?
wala akong maisip.
Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise ang tuloy na
Yung-
uli nun.
yung may
loop
drop,
yun.
oo.
May loop yun. Pagdaan, basta dumaan siya sa may elepante, may loop na
May
siya.
loop na siya.
Tapos kakainin ka ng crocodile.
Uy, totoo ba to? Anong ride to?
Jungle Cruise nga.
Extreme edition. First agenda kapag pumunta ng Disney is kukuha tayo ng disability access
Yes,
service
because I am
for
an
mama.
access.
Yung med cert niyo po.
Ando.
Everything's fine.
But yun,
Insert yung picture ng asong nasa sunog.
pagkatapos po nun,
Takbo po tayo sa isang ride.
I have pala in my phone.
Oh, see?
Oh,
Problem solved.
thankful to me.
by who? By who?
By who? By Dr. Munoz. I have
Ah.
pala on my phone.
By Dr. Munoz, pupuntahan niya sa may Cardinal. Ay, Cardinal, mali. Medical City pala, sorry.
Ni-refer. So, use my code for a discount.
Anong next na gagawin natin sa Disney? Ako ay, after
Buy
ng ride,
logo.
I want to buy coffee.
Alat.
Atuto. No, tito, kwento mo yung alot mo.
May lumapit sa akin dalawang Amerikano. Tinanong ako, ano daw ang dream ko. Sabi ko, gusto kong pumunta ng US. Ano daw ang gagawin ko sa US? Ang nasa utak ko, bibili ko ng property. Pero hindi pumasok sa isip ko yung word na property. Nung tinanong nila ako, so what's your dream? I want to buy a lot. Sabi nila, a lot. A lot of what? A lot. You know the lot? A lot? The soil under the house, without the house, only the soil. That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's the property.
Ayun.
Yun, doon lumabas yung property.
Kaya ngayon yung joke ngayon. Oh, I want to buy a
I
lot.
want to buy a lot.
Oh, sige. We'll see you guys in Hong Kong. Ay,
Iba-iba sinasabi.
in Disneyland. Ay. Bye-bye. Pero hindi kita masyado. Guess where we are? We are in Disney. So we're in Disneyland already.
Okay, so, meron kaming early access. So, dapat 9 nandito na kami, but now it's like almost 9:30. Tapos ngayon pala kami pumapasok.
Naiihi ako siya.
Kailan ka matatay ka?
So both.
Oo, sasabay na lang.
So guys, actually may kwento ako. When our Grab is not Catholic, okay? I'd like to safely assume he's Muslim. Tapos, sabi ni tita, Merry Christmas. But other than this, we just arrived in Disney. May kwento kami actually. It's been, ako parang 2007 pa ata last time ko nandito. So, it's a long time. Tas ikaw, how long na?
I was 10 years old, so that was 2010.
Around 14 years ago.
Yeah, 14 years ago since I was last here.
And then, si tita actually last year lang. So, nothing.
So siya yung pinaka-recent na dumating dito.
You ask kuya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin sa favorite ride niya sa Disney.
Kuya, what's your favorite ride in Disney?
Star Tours.
His favorite ride, Star Tours. It's not here. There's a long line, so we're gonna find it.
Ano ba yun?
Can you
Sige.
hold it?
Ako na magka-ano. Actually guys, ang daming aasikasuhin si Niggy. Ayun. So hinihintay na lang po namin si Niggy. Okay. Mamaya siya yan. My first time in Disney in years.
Ba't ka po nakapikit, sir?
My long time friend, Mickey. You're so fine. Ayan. So guys, for those who want to get PWD pass, please direct your questions to me.
If you want a PWD pass or if you have a PWD kasama in Disney, you go to the City Hall and then you present. Actually, no. I didn't have to present anything.
City Hall dito sa Disney hindi sa
Ay.
inyo. Baka malito kayo.
To be fair, madali lang yung dito. Sinabi ko lang na my mom is a PWD nga, and then she just asked why. And then I said she can't walk far distances. And then she just asked for an ID for the details. And then that's it. So, punta po kayong QC Hall for your services.
And ano po ang benefits natin pag naka-PWD?
We don't have to line up in the long line. They're going to give us this card, and then they're going to put the wait times in here. Oh, kita ba?
Ako, harap.
There.
Yan. But, ayun, it's gonna put the wait times para hindi ka napipila, pero
You're waiting the same.
you're still waiting the
time.
same amount of time.
So it's not necessarily like a fast pass, but it's something convenient.
Something convenient. Para nga sa para sa mga PWD natin na hindi naman kaya but still wants to enjoy Disney either way.
Yeah. Now we're in the gift shop and then we're gonna be distracted. So,
Okay, so titingin muna tayo sa gift shop before we go to the ride.
bye-bye! Hello.
We are in Winnie the Pooh inside.
For the second ride. It's Mama
Second ride of the day.
Naka-line up kami by priority sa, anong ride yun? Sleigh?
Sleigh ng Frozen.
Yeah, that one. And then 15 minutes ang to Winnie the Pooh. So we went here na. To kill time.
So si tita. So ayun. Ito, gusto niyo makita? Ay wow, dami nakita.
So near na.
Ayan. Hello!
It's starting. Oh, that's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ito na ba?
Kaya ba yun? Oh, ayun na nga.
Dulas ako.
Chicken and seafood combo. Xiaolong bao, pork dumpling,
Okay.
pizza.
And then,
Premium plate.
Same as tita.
But no
and
rice.
No rice. Chicken wings.
chicken wings. And then rice.
I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather Ridiculous wonder. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Phew. Ah, well.
Hold it. That's it.
Oh, that's a glass of market.
The ride or us?
Pwedeng both may ikot ikot.
I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Oh, you're so
Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
sa'yo. Kukwento ko sa kanila. Dito ako pinakaunang sumakay ng Space Mountain. Kasama ko sila Carmina because akala nga namin natin magpinsan kami.
Akala ko lang pala.
Tapos, as in, umupo ako dun sa Main Street. Yung kanina, umupo ako doon, tapos umiiyak ako.
Alam ko na kung saan. Pwede tayo.
Umupo ako sa Main Street, tapos umiiyak ako. Kasi I was so small, and I was so young, and I wanted to ride Space Mountain. And then Mama said no. No, I cried, and then she was like, bahala ka nga. Okay.
And then you tried.
Yeah.
Pag bata talaga, ang goal na lang natin is hindi umuo ang magulang. Pag sinabi na nilang bahala ka, that is our chance.
The goal is not a yes. The goal is
Bahala ka na.
whatever.
Oo.
Okay, so we're finding a place to sit real quick because we need to kwento.
May isang malaking nangyari this second day.
Hello, everybody. So, we have kwento. Bumili kami kanina, premier access ticket to...
Grizzly
Grizzly.
bear.
Yeah, because 90 minutes siya. We don't have 90 minutes. So, we don't want that. Bumili na lang kami ng ticket. Yun lang, yung only ticket na bibili namin. Dapat kasi we said na 40 minutes is not that bad for other rides. 40 minutes is okay. Yeah.
Taga-side comment lang ako.
Oo nga eh. And then, pagdating namin doon, we didn't even take that long. Parang mga 5 minutes lang ata kami naglakad papunta doon. Na-distract lang kami ng mga 3 minutes. And then, pagkapunta namin doon, there's no line. And we were like, huh, weird. So we talked to them. Apparently, they're closed. They just closed because...
It was temporarily closed because they needed an emergency safety check.
And then, ako okay lang. To me, it's okay. Like, I'm the one who always gets pissed. And to me, it was fine. Pero Linko was asking, so what time do we come back? Oh, we don't know.
And then they proceeded to tell us na, oh, if we're closed for the whole day, you can have it refunded. But the thing is, you don't know if you're gonna open. Alam mo yun, you don't know if you're gonna close for the whole day.
Oh.
There's a possibility na bukas pa kayo. So, ano mangyayari sa ticket namin?
Yeah, and then, okay, so how will we know if you're gonna be closed for the whole day? And then he was like, I don't know. Just come back. Minutes, hours from now to check. Or you can check the app. We were like, what? But to me, it was fine.
To me,
Fine.
it wasn't. So, if this happens to you guys, go to the city hall and have it changed.
Yeah, we went to this, no, pupunta dapat kami ng Starbucks. Yung line ng Starbucks abot sa labas. So, wag na lang. And then we went to the city hall and then I told the guy there what the problem was. And then he replaced it. Pero feel ko, it only comes in certain prices. For example, you bought something of price level B. So, meron lang set of ride. So, ayun.
So, instead, we bought a ticket to Space Mountain.
Hyper.
Hyperspace Mountain pala.
Yeah, that's why it's faster. That's hyper.
Ganun ba?
Yeah.
It's faster now?
Yeah. Exactly. Naalog yung utak ko the last time I
I
rode it.
haven't tried it since 2009, so I am excited to try it again.
So, ayun, that's what we're gonna do. Because it's 80 minutes now. Kanina kaya namin siya kasi 40 minutes siya. Now it's 80. No, I can't do that. 15 siya nung umaga. Yon, and then yung Grizzly Gulch. 15 nung umaga. We should have rode it already.
Dapat nga.
But we were somewhere else. But anyways, hindi pa ako nagkakape. I am losing my mind. So I thought I was gonna get coffee here. I didn't get coffee here. Now I want to throw a fit. We haven't really ridden that much rides. But we want to. We don't know what we can ride.
I know. To be fair, ang daming tao sa Disney this season talaga. As in, saksakan. As in, parang kang nagrarally. Alam niyo yun?
No, but the thing is, diba 23 today, it's December 23. The original plan was December 24.
Oh.
Because we thought it was like universal na parang there's a...
Event.
Oo, there's like a Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve event, whatever. Apparently wala. So sabi ko, 24, wala tayong masasakyan at all. At all. So, let's just go 23.
To be fair,
Ayun.
feel ko the employees have to celebrate Christmases.
Yeah.
Wait, do they even celebrate Christmas?
I feel like they're like other employees na wala tagang Pasko. Parang hotel workers. Hello sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa joke.
Wow.
Nagsalita habang nakalib. So ayun, that's all. We're gonna be riding Space Mountain now.
Space Mountain. So we'll bring you to the ride.
Okay, ayun. Hopefully we get coffee after.
Ba't tayo nakayuko? Pwede naman tayo tumayo.
Wala lang.
Ask about love.
Okay, bye!
You've never looked at a woman who looked totally vulnerable. Oh my God, what an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell. And you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.
What are you getting?
I'm getting a green churro. I don't know why it's green.
Maybe it's matcha? Ano ba yun?
Sana. Wala siyang flavor na nakalagay. Christmas churro. Oh, that's why.
But remember them, they say no, not to save you. Remember. So,
Don't tell me tumatalon sila. Tatalon ako sa tubig. Oh my God. Ikaw na nga natatakot.
Anybody disappear? No?
Not yet.
Wow, we made it! You're so brave!
Hello, we are in Teacup.
Teacup.
Here's the key.
We're trying to make way. Yeah.
Ay, nakatali. Wait lang guys.
Gawin doon, eh.
It's okay. Oh, yun na.
It's what it feels like to be drunk.
I know.
May bangis sa Urbani.
I know.
歡迎地請大家到最近
Ano daw?
請小心您的腳步。
So, saan po yung...
So hello, we are resting beside Teacup by what? I don't know, ito yung parang kainan eh. But we're here, we're resting a little bit because we're waiting for sila tita. And then what are we gonna ride? Small World, we think. Excuse me. Ayun, we're just waiting on that. And then, I don't know pa what after. But it's getting dark here in Disney. So yun, we've been in Disney for almost, not yet, 9 tayo dumating eh. Never mind. Ayun, so yun lang, update ko lang.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hello everyone, that wraps up our Disney day.
We don't really know how much we filmed.
Thank you so much for coming.
Ba't si Mama palagi gusto na sa gitna? Para siyang ano.
Bigla na lang lumalabas sa gitna.
Hello.
Ayan.
Hi, vlog!
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you, Disney.
Thank you, Mickey.
Clock out na kami.
This is Mickey.
The happiest place
Place
on earth!
Correct.
That's Mickey.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's Mickey. Daffy is out.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. We'll see you at
Tomorrow.
or at Sukiya.
Yes.
Most likely tomorrow.
Most likely, baka sa kuya din.
We'll meet
Okay,
you
bye.
at Sukiya, by the way. We'll show you our dinner and then bye-bye na talaga.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hello, guys.
Hindi kami natuloy sa Sukiya.
Yeah, di kami natuloy sa Sukiya. We ended up in Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Do we have pictures of Jollibee? Kay tita.
Meron akong picture ng food. Insert ko na lang here.
Sige. We'll insert the pictures na lang, but we ate in Jollibee. And then...
Magta-take out dapat din kami ng Jollibee kasi wow, ang sarap. Pero sarado na sila.
Oh my God, may funny thing din. Kasi tumaas ako para umihi. Then may mga Filipino... I'm sorry if you're watching this ha. But may mga Filipino na group na gustong pumunta ng Jollibee. Sabi nila na, oh, ayan, Jollibee, tara na, kain na. So, sinabihan ko lang sila, as a good Filipino, I thought,
Wow.
mag-order na po kayo, bilisan nyo na, kasi 10 na po sila magsasara.
To be fair, naman talaga.
Oo, so 10 na po sila. Tingin sila, tapos nagtanong pa sila sa akin, saan po ba dito masarap kumain? So, parang, di po ako taga dito, pero madami naman po sa paligid. Ganyan.
Actually, may McDo sa kabilang...
Side.
Oo.
I could have offered, pero talagang naiyak ako. So, ayun, and then I went my way. Then nalaman ko, nakita pala nila,
At the same
pinaalis
time,
sila.
Hindi ko nakita kasi message niya. Sabi niya, may chinika pa akong Pinoy or something. Tapos, at the same time, siguro na sinend niya yun, is may isang malaking group ng mga Pinoy.
Malaki sila.
Tapos sinabi nung, like, isang employee na parang, oh no, we're close, sorry, ganyan. Then they just, she rejected the whole group. And then, nun din namin sinalaman na hindi na pwede mag-take out.
So, sorry to that family. Okay. Dapat diretso na kayo counter. Huwag kayo umupo.
True.
Alam niyo yun? Kung alam niyo na magsasara.
After Jollibee, we walked home. It was a very short walk lang naman, mga 5 to 10 minutes. Mga ganun. And then, we went to Sasa. And wow, we were there until it closed. So, ayan. And then we walked home again. And then here we are. Tired and with backs hurting. Ayan. Well, that's it for our second day in Hong Kong. Technically our first full day, but second day.
Yeah. The second day of our Hong Kong trip, that was our Disney day as well. We are gonna rest na. Pagod na pagod kami. Lord, amen. But we'll see you on the next video, which is... Ano ba gagawin bukas?
Ngong Ping. We're gonna go to Ngong Ping and then we're gonna go to Victoria Peak also.
So yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow. We'll see you guys then. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, I guess. Like us. Comment wheelchair down below. Thank you for watching. If you want us to do more stuff like this, I guess, kung may pera na kami mag-travel, you like this video and then we'll think about it.
Keep liking para may pera mo na
And then mag-comment na lang kayo, what countries we should just think about, not go to yet. Pag-isipan lang namin.
Daydream ka na.
And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. Us. Kasi di namin alam kung kanino ka pupunta. Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's a lot.